Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to charge Expedia virtual card. So in order to do that, first of all launch Expedia application. Now once you come here, make sure that you're signed in to your account. Now simply tap on the option of account at the bottom right corner. Here we go. Now once you come here, tap on the option of payment methods that you see over here. Now let's wait for some time until the page is loading. Now once you come here, in my case, you can see that I do not have any saved cards. You can save a new card when you check out while you have booked a flight. Now, once you have saved a card, you can simply change your card number and then choose the option of virtual card in order to put charges on that card while you book services from Expedia. So this is it for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more upcoming videos.